Now when everyone to please stand, hands up, out, in, up, down. Very good. Now you will be seated. And now we recite a poem, and our poem title is called Mammals. Now we have recited the poem, I will be asking a question. Now John, can you tell me what is the poem based on? That's correct. So John said the poem is based on mammals. Is he correct, class? Yes, he is. So give him 2 claps. Okay, now class, I want you to tell me 3 things about mammals that you learned from the poem. Ashley? Yes, that's correct. She said hair. John? Yes, that's correct also. What about you? Terrence? Yes, that's correct also. Very good, class. Okay, put your hands together for them. Very good. So our topic today is mammals. At the end of this lesson, you will list 2 mammals found in the environment, and you will state 3 characteristics of mammals. Good. So now class, we'll say what is mammal. So everyone look on the board. It says mammal is an animal that breathes air. It has a backbone and grows hair or fur at some point in life. So now class, we look at some examples of mammals. We have humans, us, we all are mammals. We have bears, dogs, rats, bat, etc. So now I want each one of you to list 1 mammal found in your home. Ashley? Yes, that's correct. Anyone else? John? Yes, that is correct. Put hands together for them. So now class, I'll hand you over to Sir Esmond and he will continue the lesson.
Hi boys and girls. So, I will continue from where Miss Nadira left off. So, now we're going to look at characteristics of mammals. So, these mammals, they have different characteristics from the other vertebrates. It says here that mammals are warm-blooded animals that give birth to their young ones, which means that they, like if you cut their skin or if you peel it off or whatever you do, the blood will be warm, right? And also they give birth, which means that they have to procreate and then have to give birth. They have mammary glands that help them produce milk to feed their young ones. So when a female gives birth to its young, it has to feed the young one with milk. The fur or hair throughout the body helps animals to adapt to their environment, which means that if you put a human in a cold environment, he or she, their body will adjust to the environment, which means that they can be kind of comfortable in a cold or a warm environment. Some mammals also lay eggs. Example, the duck-billed platypus is one of the mammals that lay eggs. They breed by lungs. So all mammals, they breed by lungs. So now we're going to discuss and see if you have all of the characteristics of what we listed here. Mr. Ramit, can you tell me if you have all the characteristics that we list here? Very good, Mr. Ramit. Joshua. Very good. Munifa? Good. Jerry? Very good. These children are very brilliant, man. Very brilliant. Right. So you did a great job and you understand what we're talking about. So now we're going to move to the next aspect of the lesson. So pupils, for your activity, I will distribute the worksheet. You will answer the following questions. Question 1 reads, in your own words, say what is a mammal. Remember when we say in your own words, right? We have the definition here. However, I don't want you to copy all the words word by word. I need you to put the definition in your own words. Number 2, list 2 mammals found in your community. So you will think of 2 mammals that found in your community, in your school environment, in your home, wherever, right? And number 3, you will state 3 characteristics of a mammal, which means that you will have to shuffle these and you will choose 3 of them. So I will distribute the worksheets and you will complete stating. So pupils, I will distribute these worksheets and you will complete same for homework, right? So the instruction is, you will have to research and find out which mammal is the fastest, right? That's all. So you have to go to Google, in books, wherever you have to do research and find out which mammal is the fastest. Alright pupils, so now we have the last thing. Now, as you can see on the blackboard mounted, there is an exit board. You might be wondering what this exit board is used for, right? So I have these stickers here. You will write one thing that you learned from the lesson and you will write it on the paper and you will paste it on the exit board, right? So you will have to paste, after you finish writing on the paper, you have to put the glue at the back of the paper like this, and then you will paste it on the exit board, right? So each one of you will have to do that. It means that you have learned at least something. You must come out from the classroom knowing something. Pupils, thank you for your time and your participation, and we had a wonderful lesson. You may enjoy your lunch.